Welcome. This short video tutorial will help you navigate through the 3 online technology forms within MyStar Parent Portal that are required when obtaining a PCCS one-to-one take-home Chromebook or when your student is using district and personal devices at school and while connected to our network. These forms are the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, the Responsible Use of Technology form, and the Chromebook User Agreement form. We will start by visiting the Plymouth Canton Community Schools website at pccsk12.com. At the top of the menu, choose the Parent tab, then choose MyStar Parent Portal. Using your login credentials, enter your Parent Portal PIN and password. If you don't know it, click Reset Your Password and your PIN will be emailed to you with a link to reset your password. Once you are logged in, click My Information at the top of the page. You are now on the Information Review screen where parents and guardians are listed, as well as your student's name, grade, school they attend, and school year. To the far right of your student's name, click Edit. A menu will come up on the left side of your screen where you should see the 3 technology forms that were mentioned earlier. Let's start by clicking on Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. The COPA Act was passed by U.S. Congress in 1998 and took effect in April of 2000. This act specifies that websites must require parental consent for the collection or use of personal information of young website users. Please read the information on this page carefully and thoroughly. When you have finished reading the COPA information, go to the very bottom of the page and place your initials in the box provided. At the top of your screen, you will see the words Updates Pending in red. Once you see Updates Pending, please click Submit. You can now continue on to the next form, which is the Responsible Use of Technology. The Responsible Use form holds users responsible for their actions and activities while using school and district-approved technology resources and personal devices at school and pre-approved co-curricular and extracurricular events or activities. Here again, you will need to read the documentation carefully and thoroughly. This form requires both parent and/or guardian initials as well as the student's initials. Place both sets of initials in the boxes provided. When you see Updates Pending in red at the top of your screen, go ahead and click Submit. The final online document needing your attention is the Chromebook User Agreement. If you are choosing to have your student participate in the one-to-one PCCS Chromebook Take-Home program, you and your student will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the district's Chromebook User Agreement and make an online insurance premium payment or a refundable deposit payment. Please read this documentation very carefully, and once you have made a decision as to which option is best for you and your student, click on the appropriate blue link respectively. A new window will pop up prompting you to make a payment via the Pay Schools website. Once you have made your payment, close out of Pay Schools and scroll to the bottom of the page. You and your student must place your initials in the boxes provided. At the top of the page, you will once again see Updates Pending in red. You can now click Submit. You have now completed all of the online technology forms. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions or concerns, please contact the front office staff at your student's school.